Hi kids, welcome to Fun Time Crafts and Stories. Today, we're going to learn to count from 1 to 10. It's going to be super fun and full of surprises. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is the number 1. Look, there's one red balloon flying high. Say it with me. 1. Here's the number 2. Quack, quack. 2 ducks are swimming in the pond. Let's count. 1, 2. Next is 3. Ribbit, ribbit. 3 funny frogs are hopping around. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 4 is next. Look at those kites. There are 4 of them flying so high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the number 5. The stars are twinkling. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's next? It's 6. Buzz. 6 bees are buzzing by the flowers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is here. Look at the rainbow fish swimming in the sea. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 8. The octopuses are waving hello with their arms. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is next. Look at those sheep. They're jumping over the fence. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And finally, 10. The kids are celebrating with balloons. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's your turn. Let's count again, but this time you'll help me. What comes after 3? Pause. That's right, 4. How about after 7? Pause. Yes, 8. Great job. Let's play a funny counting game. Look at the monkey throwing bananas. How many did he throw? Pause. Yes, 1. Now look at the penguin sliding across. How many times did he slide? 2. Great job. Let's count. Let's count. From 1 to 10. Let's count. Let's count. Again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! You're counting stars, my friend. You did an amazing job counting today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye.